So I'm trying to withdraw this, to redeem these points, these Swagbucks points. So for those who are new to this, Swagbucks is a legitimate survey site, a platform that you can use to make quick cash. Yeah, I know, you can't make a lot of money, you can't expect to make like 10k with this, but with a little bit of work here and there, you can make some real good money. So I've been using it for some time now, and in fact I created a video, the one you can see on top here. So I created that video about this website, and I also wrote a review about it on my website. Now I'm trying to, of course, to redeem this. So let's do it together, and then we'll see how it goes, if this works. So if you look at my PayPal now, it says 0. I don't have money here. Yeah, so I had actually to create a different PayPal account. So I don't know if so my prediction is probably this will work, like the redemption will work, but then probably my PayPal account will cause issues because I haven't done a lot with it. It's a brand new account, and PayPal are notorious for messing things up here and there. So I don't know how this is going. So the reason why actually I created a different PayPal account is because if you go to redeem, you will see why. So to redeem, just go to redeem your SP, and then now you choose the one you want. So as you can see, I have like 3000 SP. So I'm going to redeem it for PayPal. So I'm sure it can be here. Yes, here it is. So let me redeem it. Let's see which one works better. I could have waited for this 50 euros to PayPal account, but let's take this 25. Yes. So this is it. Terms and conditions. So I'll be redeeming 2500 SP in exchange for $25. So $25 in Kenyan shillings is 3,285. So here are the terms. This is your chance. So use Swagbucks to earn at least, of course, 2500 points called SP. When you snag this price, $25 will be deposited into your PayPal account. Use the money for anything. Yeah, so for the quickest delivery of payment, we recommend that your PayPal account email matches the email registered to your Swagbucks account, and your first and last name needs to be exact match to your PayPal account information, and your PayPal account needs to be verified. So for more information on PayPal account verification, click here. So I think okay, let me open this in a new tab, and then maybe we can learn how to verify your PayPal account, because I haven't done that. So to add a bank account, go to wallet. Okay, so it looks like to verify your PayPal account, you need to link your bank account. Yeah, so I'm going to do that now. I don't want to risk this this amount of money getting stuck in my PayPal account. So let me link my bank account, and then I'll see you when I'm done, or when I'm back. And I'm back. So I've already added my bank card. Just added some card Apple. I actually added one for M-Pesa, and I have verified it. Yes, so now I hope we'll be fine now to, I hope that's it. I hope that's enough to verify my account. So let's go ahead to claim this. Yes, so once you've received email from PayPal, you have 30 days to claim your funds. After 30 days, the PayPal claim expires and no Swagbucks will be refunded. Okay, please allow 3 to 10 business days for payment to be transferred. So I don't know if if this actually will take 3 to 10 days. Yes, so I guess let's find out. I'm going to click now, claim the gift card. So phone verification is required. Okay, I'm now adding my phone number. I hope this is the one I used. Okay, they're sending some code to my phone now, and it's here. So Swagbucks needs to confirm we are sending the funds to the correct PayPal account. So to speed up the process, please log in. So I'm going to connect my PayPal now. Yeah, so I'm just going to connect, agree and connect. And perfect. So this is the information. This is a confirmation that you would like to order the following item. PayPal $25, price 2500 SP. This order will be digitally delivered to the email on file. Address, then confirm there. So they actually want my address, so I'm going to give them my name's full name. Security question: what was your favorite cartoon character as a child? I hope this is it. Perfect. So you just verified your gift card. Check your email for delivery instructions. As you can see here now, I have 524 SP, which means the 2500 are already on their way. So I'm going to log into my Gmail now and check. And looks like we have something here from Swagbucks. Yes, your order for PayPal $25 has been verified and is being processed. Rewards are often delivered in 2 to 3 days, but in some cases may take up to 10 days. Yeah, so place the order and all that. So let's view the status, the order status. Okay, may take up to 10 days for gift card code to be delivered to the my gifts card section of your. Okay, looks like there's nothing. So I guess we'll have to wait now for 2 to 3 days and see how this goes. So let me go back to my PayPal and see if there is any activity. Yeah. Okay, I'm just refreshing it now. Nothing so far. So as you can see, it's 0.000 available. Yeah, so I guess I'll have to wait now for 2 to 3 days and then see how it goes. And so after like how many days? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So after 5 days, now we have an update here. As you can see here, I have 2 emails here. I've already opened it. One is from PayPal and then the other one is from Swagbucks. So let's open the PayPal one. So the reward store has sent you $25. Yeah. So these are the, the ones we were waiting for. And then the other email is, hooray, we've completed your PayPal deposit. So when I actually go to my PayPal account, you can see I now have $25 here. So it took like 5 days for this to to work. I guess it's because we had a weekend. So if maybe we were doing it on a Monday, for example, maybe it would have taken less days, say 2 to 3 days. Yeah, and if you look at here under the rewards store, so it says your payment received. So I've received $25. So this $25 is how many Kenyan shillings? That's 3,303 shillings. So I'm going to try and withdraw this. Of course, I don't know if this is going to work because I haven't linked my phone number here yet. So let me try and see. Transfer funds. As you can see here, it says typically it takes, they will transfer the funds to my bank account, and it will take 1 to 3 days, 1 to 3 business days. And of course, there will be some fees involved. So let's go to next. So I need to link my bank. I don't know why, and I already have a card. Okay, and it's not working. So I've actually tried a lot to link my card or my bank. I already have a card here linked, as we saw earlier on. Yeah, but I'm having some issues. So I'm trying now to link my my M-Pesa number or my phone number to to link PayPal to M-Pesa, and then see if I can make a withdrawal. So let me do that right now. So after trying countless times to link my M-Pesa to PayPal without any luck, and of course also failing to link my bank account to this PayPal account, I just decided to spend it all. Yeah, so as you can see here, I spent it on I now have a balance of $1.41. So I spend it on some digital stuff. So there's a game that I've always wanted to buy. Yeah, as you can see, I bought it for like $11.99, so $11.99. And then also I used it to buy another thing here. So I don't know what this is. Oh yes, so this is the keyword research tool that I used. Yeah, so this will help me a lot when it comes to researching more when it comes to SEO. So yeah, that's it guys. That's how you can make easy money on swagbucks.com. so it's real, it works. Just use the link in the description to sign up today and start earning USP, and then of course you can redeem it for PayPal cash. So I'll see you in the next video.